In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use custom avatar animations on VRChat desktop mode. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. While you are in VRChat desktop mode, some of the avatars you might equip will have custom animations. In order to tell if a custom avatar you are using has animations added by the developer, what you have to do is, on your keyboard, press Shift and hold Shift, and then you can press F1 through F12 to check if any of those keys have animations attributed to them. So for example, press Shift and F1, Shift and F2 and check. Like I said, this depends on whether the creator of the avatar you are using made custom animations for that avatar, and you can check by holding Shift and pressing F1 through F12. I hope I was able to help you on how to use custom avatar animations on VRChat desktop mode. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.